Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the best fitness tips and exercises to help you achieve your goals. Today's topic is all about fat burning exercises. We all know that excess body fat can lead to various health problems and can affect our daily lives. So, let's dive into some of the best exercises that can help you burn fat and get in shape. Cardio exercises. Cardio exercises are a great way to increase your heart rate and burn calories. They can be done anywhere and require no equipment. Some of the best cardio exercises include jumping jacks. These exercises are great for beginners and can be modified to increase the difficulty level. You can do them in sets of 20, 30 or more. Running. Running is one of the best exercises for burning fat. It can be done on a treadmill or outside. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of running per session. Cycling. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that is easy on the joints. It is also a great way to explore the outdoors while burning calories. HIIT training. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, is a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by rest periods. It is a great way to burn fat and build muscle. Some of the best HIIT exercises include burpees. This exercise involves squatting, jumping, and pushing up. It is a full body workout that can help you burn fat and improve your strength. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a great way to increase your heart rate and burn calories. They can also improve your balance and coordination. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a great way to get your heart rate up and burn calories. It is also a low-impact exercise that is easy on the joints. Strength training. Strength training is a great way to build muscle and burn fat. It can also improve your overall fitness level. Some of the best strength training exercises include squats. Squats are a great way to build lower body strength. They can also improve your balance and coordination. Push-ups. Push-ups are a great way to build upper body strength. They can also improve your posture and core stability. Lunges. Lunges are a great way to build lower body strength and improve your balance. They can also help you burn fat and build muscle. So there you have it, some of the best exercises to help you burn fat and get in shape. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to exercise. Try to aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise per day and make sure to include a variety of exercises to keep things interesting. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.